Hello, are you ready to tame the sugar monster? Are you finding that you're exhausted and drained by the end of the day? Or maybe you notice that you're snacking for all or most part of the day? Or maybe you feel that you're just completely addicted to food. Well, if any of these sound like you, help is here. Join our 5-day sugar detox, tame the sugar monster, and stop fighting your cravings and conquer them. Get ready to lose a few pounds, increase your energy, improve your mood, decrease your inflammation levels, increase your immunity, and protect your liver, get more radiant skin and better brain power, and most of all, get ready to break the addictive sugar cycle once and for all. Because one of today's biggest health concerns is excess sugar consumption, and today's the day to kick that habit. And what we share with you in the 5-day sugar detox is the biology of food addiction, the top ways you're going to benefit from doing a detox, the best sugar detox method, and how to beat sugar detox symptoms and set yourself up for success. My name's Mara, and I'm a certified natural health professional and your coach for the 5-day sugar detox. I help people living with metabolic syndrome, CRPS, and chronic pain increase their energy, reduce their symptoms, pain, and inflammation, and improve their vitality. I've been sharing wellness and promoting health for over 20 years as an herbalist, aromatherapist, and coach. And I'm going to help you regain your energy, reduce your sugar cravings, improve your overall health, and lose a few pounds. So let's get started.